All right, guys, right here at AOCleaning. We are on the second job of the day in Columbia, Illinois. We're doing, like I said, we're doing a basement cleaning, getting all the film and construction dust off because they had a sub pump put in, create a lot of film, and the contractors tried their best but just couldn't get the film off. She tried it, she couldn't get it up, so they called us, the professionals, to come and take care of it. So we got Scott removing everything off the van now, getting our extractors ready. We're gonna pre-treat it, agitate it, then extract and neutralize. So that's what we're doing. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to give us a follow and a subscribe. We appreciate that. And let's go. AOCleaning.com. All right, guys, we're doing the basement film cleanup. As you guys can just see, they left, see this film right here? See? We're gonna get that film off. They had redone this and the contractors tried to clean it up, but just left this film. So we put some water down to help emulsify, and we're gonna get it vacuumed and extracted. We're gonna get rid of this film, agitate it with our culture, and this that'd be a wrap. So they're excited. They tried a couple of the companies and nobody could do it. They looked at us, gave us a call. I said, yeah, we can take care of it and we can get rid of that film, guys. So, yes, sir. You can see. AO's the way to go. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are pre-treating now. Getting these this concrete film off. We're gonna let this dwell. Then we're gonna agitate it and extract. Stay tuned. All right, guys, you can see we got that film off. Look at that, guys. All gone, pristine. Now we're gonna do that section. But guys, look at that. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, film. All right, guys, a little update. We already got this pre-treated. We're letting that dwell a little bit. We're gonna extract it, agitate it. It's going good. We already did this section over here. We already did this section over here. Just look how good that looks, guys. That film is gone. And it's hygienic and back to the original state. And we're gonna do this section. We're gonna let it dwell. And you can just see all that film over here, all that film. We're gonna let that do its thing. Then we got the other technician, Scott, prepping up over there. He's gonna go ahead and start getting over there done. And that'll do it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're just not getting almost got one more section left and we're almost done. Again, this is a clean and extract of a basement floor that had a film build up for construction work because they had some concrete done. And we typically charge $1.50, but we gave them a little bit of a deal to help them out. So we charged them $1.25 a square foot, and it's about 2,100 square feet. So they are excited, and it's back to the original state, as you guys can see, nice and hygienic. No more film. And this is what we do, guys. Just look how pretty that is right there, guys. Look at that. The way it's supposed to be. So that's what we're doing. We're going to finish a little section up over there, and that's going to be a wrap. And we're on to the next one. And that's what we do. AOCleaning.com. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See, check out this floor, guys. Remember that film build up? Remember that? All gone. Look at that. See the sheen now. We're going to use our signature AOCleaning wood and tile floor neutral cleaner. This is good for all hard surfaces, including concrete, guys.